When it comes to woodworking and DIY projects, having the right tools can make all the difference. Among the essential tools for accurate and efficient cuts is a miter saw. A miter saw allows you to make precise angled cuts, ensuring clean and professional looking results. While high-end miter saws can come with a hefty price tag, there are excellent options available for those on a budget. In this article, we will explore the realm of affordable miter saws and present you with the best miter saw under $200. Despite their lower price point, these miter saws offer a combination of quality, functionality, and value that can meet the needs of DIY enthusiasts and hobbyists alike. 4. Delta Power Equipment. Delta Power Equipment, it's no surprise that they're constantly introducing new and exciting products to the market. One such product is the Delta Contractor Saws, which offer power and durability, making them highly appealing to professionals. These saws have generated a lot of excitement and anticipation. Another notable product from Delta Power Equipment is the Delta Unisaw Table Saw, which was reviewed by Todd Fratzel. Fratzel emphasizes the influence of childhood memories on adult choices and hobbies, and he likely discusses how the Delta Unisaw with Biesmeyer fence system resonates with him. The review likely highlights the features and performance of this table saw. Additionally, Delta Power Equipment introduced the Delta 23 to 199 8-inch benchtop grinder, as previewed by Clint DeBoer. This grinder boasts a patented toolless quick change nut and toolless wheel cover, enabling easy and quick swapping of grinding or polishing wheels. 3. Evolution Power Tools. A customer expresses their satisfaction with the Evolution Power Tools track saw, praising its accurate and clean cutting performance. They also appreciate the tool's weight and quality, as well as the long power cord. The customer had a positive experience with customer service when they accidentally ordered the wrong power outlet, and they received a replacement promptly along with a refund. They express their intention to purchase more Evolution tools and highly recommend them. Various other customers also leave positive reviews, mentioning the affordability and competitiveness of Evolution Power Tools. Some specifically appreciate the customer service, while others praise the performance and quality of specific tools like the MC's 355 saw and the electric grinder. However, there are also a few concerns raised, such as the durability of blades and difficulties in finding spare parts. 2. Metabo HPT10. The Metabo HPT 10-inch multi-volt table saw stands out with its hybrid power capability, allowing it to be powered by either a 36 volts multi-volt battery or an AC adapter. This table saw offers a 10-inch blade and a 35-inch rip capacity, providing ample cutting capacity. It delivers a sturdy and smooth cutting experience, with features like material support on the fence and out feed, a big safety switch, adjustable riving knife, and an effective rack and pinion fence adjustment mechanism. The saw's hybrid power sources make it a versatile tool that can be used all day long, either cordlessly with the battery or with the AC adapter for continuous power. Its larger size and weight compared to other cordless saws may require transportation planning, and it currently lacks a stand and onboard blade storage. 1. DeWalt 12-inch. The DeWalt DWS 780 miter saw is a powerful tool with a 15-amp, 3,800 RPM motor that easily handles various cutting tasks. It features the innovative DeWalt XPS cross-cut positioning system, which uses an LED light to create a shadow of the blade on the material, providing precise cut positioning and visibility even in direct sunlight. The saw also offers the ability to increase cut depth by removing the back fence, allowing for larger cuts on wide materials. For cutting crown molding and other trim, the DWS 780 offers miter capabilities up to 60 degrees on the right and 50 degrees on the left. The double bevel cut options eliminate the need to flip long pieces of molding and transfer measurements, making the process more efficient. The saw also includes fold-away stops for left and right bevel cuts at 22.5 degrees and 33.9 degrees, saving time and providing more cutting options. In conclusion, finding the best miter saw under $200 requires careful consideration of the available options and your specific needs as a user. While budget constraints may limit the range of features and capabilities, there are still some solid choices that offer good performance and value within this price range. One top recommendation is the Metabo HPT10 FCGS 10-inch compound miter saw. It combines a compact design with a powerful motor, precise miter and bevel adjustments, and a durable construction. This saw is well suited for smaller woodworking projects and delivers reliable cutting performance.